Mexican cabbage salad is super easy to make. It's the perfect side dish for carne asada, grilled chicken, or even fish. So let's start. Cut the cabbage in two and one of the pieces, and now we are gonna shred it. The secret to be eating raw cabbage is to have it shredded very, very finely. Now pour all the cabbage inside a container because the next step is just to rinse it to get rid of any dirt that could be there. I'm going to cover it in water. Try to rinse it and move it around so all the dirt can go down. Make this process 2 times just to make sure that it's all clean. Now I'm gonna pass it through a spinner to get rid of as much water as we can. This is why I love spinners, and the great advantage when you wanna have vegetables for the whole week is trying to take off as much water or humidity as you can, and this is gonna take longer to spoil. In a container, place 4 cups of shredded cabbage, 1 cup of chopped tomato, half a cup of onion, and 3 tablespoons of cilantro or coriander. And now let's mix all together. And now let's season with 1/4 cup of lemon or lime. Now let's add salt to taste. Mix all together and this is all set. I have new recipes every week and daily inspiration as Mexican Food by Laura on Instagram, TikTok, and all my social media, as well as my blog where I share Mexican healthy recipes for the whole family. I hope you enjoy and I see you next week. Please subscribe, click on the bell so you can get a notification every time I have a new recipe at any of my social media. Adios amigos!